Viral chicken cobbler, a similar recipe that would get you that cobbler fix.
I made it, making this part 4 of the Dollar Tree dinner reviews. So please go back to my profile to check out the other ones. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. So after placing my toaster oven to 400 degrees, I washed and rinsed 2 of the Swanson chicken a la kings and then poured them inside of my casserole dish. Now she did use canned vegetable blends, but I did not have that. I, however, did have this. It was frozen, so I just measured out 1 cup of the frozen veggies, popped them inside of my microwave for about a minute and 40 seconds until they were no longer frozen. Then I just added it to my casserole dish where the chicken a la king was. She only seasoned it with peppers. That's what I did. I then used the back of my spoon to just mix everything together and make sure everything was nice and even before getting started on this biscuit mix. It's the Pillsbury cheddar garlic biscuit mix. I measured out 1 cup of milk and I just gave that a really good mix before pouring it on top of my casserole. Now I did use milk, but she did mention that you can use water instead. I then used the back of my spoon to just kind of spread around that biscuit mix to try to cover the chicken a la king as much as possible. I then placed it inside of my toaster oven that was preheated to 400 degrees for 20 minutes until I got this result right here. Now, though this may be very similar to a chicken pot pie, it does not have a pie crust. It is made with biscuit, therefore falls under a savory cobbler. And because I do personally pride myself into being a savory pie snob, I have made my share of homemade pot pies. I can tell you that I was very surprised that the canned chicken a la king tasted almost identical to the homemade chicken pot pie filling that I make for my chicken pot pies. And guys, look at how fluffy this biscuit is. Oh my goodness. I'm sold. I am completely sold. And just look at the thickness of the chicken from the canned chicken a la king. I was just in complete and utter shock. This was delicious, a 10 out of 10. I served this up with just a quick simple Caesar salad and I really loved it, as did my family. I will be making this again. She did it again. She is amazing. If you don't follow her, do. I have her tagged as I did with the other videos. I tagged her in this one as well. It's Dollar Tree Dinners. Amazing.